Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get $0 gifts on Temu. So it is super easy and simple to get the $0 gifts on Temu. You just have to follow a few steps and you can actually get the $0 gifts. So first you just have to simply open the app, and once the app gets open, usually the offers are on the home page, but let's say you don't see these options. For that you have to go to your profile, and once you get there you will see this option which is play and earn. Here you can see it says that all items free and other options, so you can just simply click onto it, and then you have to just simply select any of these gifts as per your choice. Whatever these product you like, you can simply pick one of them. So it's all up to you, whatever you prefer, whatever you think is the best option for you, you can just simply click onto it and click on get now. If the product has any sort of variations, then you just have to simply select from there, and after that you have to click on pick gifts and start inviting. Then it will take you to the next step. What you have to do is that you just have to simply add your address. So just simply add your address, and after that it will take you to the next step. Now you have to click on confirm address. Now it will just take a while to load, and after that it will start making this product for free. So this product is has actually a cost, but you will get it for free. So it will just play some of the spins, some of the pick the box from these three ones, these kind of games. You just have to simply keep playing it, and at the end it will be zero. But one thing that you have to make sure is that you have to invite your friends. If you don't invite your friends to Timo, you will not get that product for free. So this is actually the thing. Once you go through all that, at the last it will ask you to invite your friends, and once you invite your friends, you will actually get that product for free. You just have to keep playing these kind of games, and at the end you will get it for $0. So that's how you can get the $0 gift from Timo. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.